Okay, brand owners, so today we are going to be using Meeown Studio Mode. So if you own jewelry brand, a clothing brand, fashion brand, any product, this will generate you 5 high quality AI campaigns within minutes. So I'm going to use a brand called Poppy Soda Can, and we are going to start in the Meeown Studio Mode. So for example, you get your product image. What I find that actually works better sometimes is when you're actually holding a product, or if it's a necklace, you can see the neckline. This gives the AI a lot of more influence to how the product should look. Right, then we're going to go to workflows and we're going to choose AI campaigns. Now this is going to bring up this node here. Now for the product image, you select your product. Then what I like doing is I like going on the brand's Instagram. So when I'm working with a brand, I want the product image to match their aesthetic so they can use the images. So I take a screenshot of their Instagram profile, of their top pictures. Then I drag this into studio mode. So now I have my reference image, and then I'm going to select my reference image here. Then product description, I'm going to write soda drink can. Now creative direction, this could be if you want to do a specific color, specific backgrounds, maybe you want love hearts, you want blue, pink, or you want to avoid something. Sizing, we'll go with 3x4. This is for the Instagram feed. Now you can choose styles. 3D is really cool if it's out there more. Luxury, it all comes down to what you want. So I'm going to but what I do is I deselect all of them because I've put my reference image in. So I want the AI to actually use my reference image instead of adding other stuff in. With model, without model. So on this occasion, we're going to do no model because we just want the product photography. And if you did click model, you can choose female, male, or mixed. Type social media, you can choose ad creative. So this would give you Facebook creative ads where you can input information such as 20% off or anything like that. For this, I'm going to choose social media. I'm going to go with Nano Banana Pro, but for product images, I have found that Seed Dream works really well too. So we'll just select Nano Banana for now. And then I'm going to do this in 2K. However, you can do 4K, which is much, much better. High quality campaign imagery, which you can use on billboards or wherever you want. Just hit generate. Okay, and there you have it. Look at the images. The detailing is exactly the same. The colors of the can, the text on the can, it's all perfect. Now, obviously, it's gone for a sort of red tone, but you could have changed this. You could have made it a different contrast, different colors, however you want. But if you look at the text, it's all perfectly done.